Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I'm going to show you something very vintage by a very surprising brand. Now just taking a look at this, and comments below on who you think makes this, because I think you'll be surprised when I reveal who it is. What is it? It is a little pillar drill, and it's a manual one with a handle. I've never seen one before. I just happened to be searching through some old boxes and so on, and I came across this, and I thought, oh, that's unusual. I've had a little go of it. There does seem to be a couple of little problems with it. The crank handle seems to be very stiff. I don't think I'd be wanting to, be drilling too much with that. That's very stiff. But otherwise, it seems really quite a sweet thing. I think this is a collector's item in today's world, but it must go. It's got a little, well, it's got I thought it was flywheel initially, and I thought that would make a lot of sense. You crank the handle, the flywheel spins, the chuck, and that builds up momentum. But no, it's actually a sort of a bit of an over-the-top height adjustment. Maybe the idea is as it drills, it may encourage the shaft to come down with the weight. I don't know. I would love to really drill a hole with it, but that really is quite tight. Not sure why. Maybe it just needs freeing up with some oil or something, a little service. And so on. It's got a little height adjustment here, a little stand, and so on. But who makes it? Did you guess? Did you guess that it was Metabo? I bet you didn't. I didn't. I was very surprised to see that, actually. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a tiny short little video on something unusual. And there we are. So, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button, ding the bell, and we'll tell you when our next video becomes available. And there we go.